Hey guys, today we're going to explore how to determine if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, and then from there we can derive how a number can be divisible by 6. So let's start with the easy one. How do you determine if a number is divisible by 2? Well, it just has to be even. The last digit has to be even. So for example, let's do some examples. Is this divisible by 2? No, because this number is odd. Is this divisible by 2? Yes, because this number is even. Is this divisible by 2? Yes. 0 is even, by the way. So that's a very easy way to know if a number is divisible by 2. You just look at the last digit and then see if it's even. Now 3. 3 is a little bit more tricky. The same technique with 2 doesn't work. What you actually have to do is you have to add up all the digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is that? That's a 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. And that is the method. You add up all the digits, and if after you add up all the digits, it's divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 0, what is that? That is 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? No. What about this one? 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. What is that? That is 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? It is. So that's how you determine if things are divisible by 3. You add up all the digits, and then you see if that resulting number is divisible by 3. Now let's explain 6. 2 ways to create a 6, right? From a multiplication angle. You can do 6 times 1, so anything times 1 is itself. Or if you want to use other numbers, lo and behold, you have a 2 and a 3. So 2 times 3 makes a 6. So knowing that 2 times 3 makes a 6, that means that something to be divisible by 6 has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. So we go back to our examples. This is not divisible by 2, so we can eliminate that. This is divisible by 2, but 4 plus 6 is 10, so that's not divisible by 3. This one, we could try it. Let's go. So this is 11, 12, that's 18, and 21. Is that divisible by 3? That is. So this is divisible by a 2 and a 3, so this is divisible by 6. This is divisible by 2 because the last digit's even. And then let's add it together. That's 10, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So because it's divisible by both 2 and 3, it's also divisible by 6. We can do the same again for all of these. I don't have to take you through this. If you know the rule for 2 and you know the rule for 3, you get the rule for 6. Do you guys like this series? Shall we do all the other numbers? And if you haven't seen the one about 7, check it out. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.